Hello, this is Jamie Magrich. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today I want to show you how I made this card. It's a really simple card. I think you could do a bunch of them in a hurry if you needed cards in a hurry. It's that shimmer cardstock. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the glitter on it. Can't seem to get into the camera so you could see it. But I'm using Merlot ink. I used dark cherry cobbler blend to color a few basic pearls. I'd already done those before, so I'm not going to do more of them. But and Poinsttia Petals. Okay, so I have a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of the shimmery white cardstock. I have a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch piece of Merlot. I have my card base, which is thick, which is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 scored and folded at 4 1/4. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and adhere my Merlot piece right to the front of my card. I'm going to use the Tombow Mono multi-glue. Should be the same size. I apologize in advance for all the noise. My husband is home. Okay, and let's bring in a scratch paper because we're going to be stamping off of the page. Alright, I'm going to turn it this way. So I'm going to take the poinsettias to start with, and the Merlot ink. I'm going to stamp this poinsettia down in this corner. Some of it's going to come off the page. Perfect. And I'm going to take this little one, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a pine branch. I'm going to stamp one of those up here. I'm going to stamp one right here. Stamp one right here. And I'm going to bring in the sentiment, Merry Christmas. I'm going to stamp that right up here, just above the poinsettia. Okay. This up. I'll go ahead and adhere this to the front of our card. It's nice, just a little sparkle to it. This glue is almost empty. It's going to be an 1/8 of an inch border because it's a 1/4 inch smaller than the Merlot piece. I'm going to bring in those pearls. I tried to wait till it was quiet down there, but as soon as I started filming it got noisy. So I'm going to tip 5 of these pearls that I colored with the cherry cobbler. I'm going to put 3 of them in the center of the poinsettia. Well, it doesn't want to stick for some reason. Two. Probably should get out my take your pick tool. It would probably make it easier. And then, well, I guess I need one more anyway. Put a couple around here. Just scatter them. Okay, so there's the card we just made together. Here's the one I did previous. Every time it'll be a little bit different depending on where you stamp your poinsettia. Well, I'd like to thank you for joining me at Jamie's Craft Table, and hope you have a great rest of your day, and hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.